There's a problem with your Roidmi EVA robot vacuum left side mop that won't spin like this? Are you looking for assistance on how to fix it? That's frustrating, isn't it? Let's look at past customer problems we've successfully solved. A customer came to us with a Roidmi EVA robot vacuum whose operation was not working efficiently, and it was not running as smoothly as it was supposed to, so they asked us to fix it. And we proceeded to diagnose the problem right away. Look at that. It's stuck and won't spin. Thus, we disassembled the left side mop to find out the problem, and OMG, look how nasty it is. No wonder the robot vacuum doesn't run smoothly. Next, we explained to the customer that dirt clogged the left side mop, causing the problem. Not only that, but some parts are also dirty, so we suggest deep cleaning service. We will help you to clean internally and re-grease all the motor. As soon as the customer approves, we begin deep cleaning service. Look, now it looks clean again. But we didn't stop there. We conducted unit testing to ensure that everything will work smoothly without any problems. And finally, robot vacuum can run at maximum performance. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.